A trending new app has arrived that features an innovative format and functionality with exclusivity like no other. Clubhouse is considered by those finding themselves diving for hours into the app's rabbit hole as part Facebook, part podcast, and super posh. With invites into the app becoming quite a hot commodity, Clubhouse has surely reached a new tier of mainstream awareness. This is Techtastic, and in this video, we're taking a look at why Clubhouse is the next big thing. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe, and press that notification bell for future Techtastic updates. Since its launch in March 2020, Clubhouse has increasingly become a cultural phenomenon, with the audio-based platform posed to turn the tables on the entire social media space. As of January 2021, the app's weekly active user base has reached to 2 million, with an upward trend that's reminiscent of other social media giants' early beginnings. But what exactly is this next big thing? Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a new social media app that was created by Paul Davison and Rowan Seth, financed through venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz, and is based in San Francisco under the company Alpha Exploration Co. It's a trendy new platform that is still in beta and not yet available for the public as of this video. Plainly put, the voice and audio-based social network features no pictures or videos, just public and private conversation rooms. Users have only profile pictures and followers, and with chats not being recorded, discussions can get as creative and free as it can get. Yes, conversations are audio only when they finish. They simply disappear forever, unless of course these discussions are live streamed through other platforms like YouTube. The platform allows users to enter rooms or create rooms and take part in a range of gatherings, from small-type conversations such as the nutrients of your plant collection to larger discussions that feature expert panels. These conversation rooms act just like a conference call, with some people talking and most listening. And just like a phone call, once the conversation is over, the room is closed. Unlike live streaming sites like Twitch, where videos stay on the platform for people to browse reruns, the live audio chats had in conversation rooms completely disappear. Upon joining the app, you can select topics of interest like tech, books, business, or health. The app also scans the information you provide about your interests and recommends more conversations for you to join or follow. The appeal of Clubhouse's agenda-setting conversation has quickly become a staple since its boom during the pandemic lull, where people found themselves with plenty of time to immerse into more adaptive learning processes. Executives, investors, and employees alike tune in to vibrant interactive panels that provide quite the insight, even giving a masterclass of sort experience, where joiners can learn directly from expert speakers. There's a room called Personal Branding Masterclass, where people from all over the world can raise their hand and join in the interactive discussion. There's also the appeal for tech and angel startups of directly networking with CEO-level personalities from Future 500 companies. These conversations provide exclusive knowledge that one can accumulate just by logging into the app, instead of spending thousands of dollars to join actual masterclasses. In fact, the name of Clubhouse's platform is that it is now attracting key personalities in society, such as politicians, celebrities, and experts from all walks of life. Currently, the app is specifically by invite only, while it's still under beta and is only available for iPhone users. Tech industry movers and shakers frequent the app, with Elon Musk himself conducting an audio chat on Clubhouse with Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev. The event maxed out the app conversation room limits and was live-streamed to YouTube to accommodate all the guests. Musk summed up the appeal of Clubhouse during his chat with Tenev, saying that, quote, context switching is the mind killer, end quote, implying that when users are logged into Clubhouse with notifications disabled, people can actually focus on one topic. Plenty of celebrities have tried the app as well, including Oprah, Ashton Kutcher, Kevin Hart, Jared Leto, Chris Rock, and Tiffany Haddish have spearheaded conversations, while others have simply hung out and listened in. Currently, Clubhouse has 2 million users, with the number seemingly growing quite rapidly. The app has also been actively recruiting and attracting many creators and influencers, even incorporating monetary incentives by announcing forthcoming new features, like tipping, tickets, or subscriptions to directly pay creators on the app. This opens up the potential for plenty of money-making opportunities, such as Clubhouse taking a commission from room admission fees for large panel discussions, or offering monthly subscriptions for specific interest-based club rooms. Aside from the incentive from the app, this can provide the possibility of attracting plenty of unique conversation topics with impossible-to-reach speakers as room hosts, providing maximum insight that can exist only within the Clubhouse ecosystem. Why audio? The advent of the lockdown within the pandemic has provided quite the opportunity for the Clubhouse community. The power of the voice. This is what separates Clubhouse from all other platforms, especially from Facebook and Twitter. The live conversations and direct feedback can build closer relationships more than any number of written posts or videos ever could. In more recent years, audio has become a medium that more people find interest in. Edison Research recently indicated that 55% of Americans have listened to a podcast. Podcast listenership in itself has grown 38% in the last 3 years. A social media platform that provides an intimate setting that other platforms have gone away from is the biggest pull for Clubhouse. It gives a more personal touch or a voice that is heard and absorbed by those joining in the conversation. It's easy to just jump in and listen to a conversation for a few minutes, which can turn into hours, especially in the age where most people are constantly wearing earbuds. How can you sign up? As of late, you can't easily head on the App Store to download the app. You would need an actual invitation from an existing Clubhouse user to even get access. Every new user gets 2 invites, and they earn more as they use the app. Clubhouse is currently only available on iOS, with an app for Android still in the works, as developers want to scale up slowly as there are more Android users than iPhone users worldwide. The demand for membership is now so hot that a market for them has grown on platforms like Reddit, eBay, and Craigslist. In China, invitations are being sold on Alibaba's secondhand marketplace, Idle Fish, as the app has reached tremendous popularity there right now, with tech inventors and professionals using the space to talk about topics that would otherwise be censored internally, like rooms talking about democracy. With the current trend of focus and hunger for casual education through conversation, Clubhouse is steadily rising through the ranks and is poised to be a social media giant in itself. Having raised new funding since its launch, the app is now valued at $1 billion and is already considered a unicorn startup among the likes of Airbnb, Uber, and SpaceX. Now, if we could only find someone who could share an invite. So what do you guys think about why Clubhouse is the next big thing? We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you're new to Techtastic, give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Until next time.